Good morning, students. Let's continue the same chapter sets, in which today I'll discuss subsets. What's the meaning of subsets? A set A is said to be a subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B. इसके लिए हमने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है दो सेट ए और बी ए के अंदर देर आर टू एलिमेंट्स ए एंड बी के अंदर देर आर फोर एलिमेंट्स ए बी सी डी एंड यू कैन सी हेयर ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए आर इन बी ए के सारे एलिमेंट्स बी के अंदर हैं. That's why what we say A is a subset of B and this symbol is used for subset. And this is also called A is a proper subset of B. Second example I have taken A equal to 1 2 3 and B equal to 2 1 3. You can see here all elements of A are in B and all elements of B are in A. That's why A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. It means what we say A equal to B. Here what you see here A is having A, E, I, O, U and B is having A, B, C, D. You can see here A is not a subset of B because all elements of A are not in B. And similarly, all elements of B are not in A. That's why B is not a subset of A. And not a subset, how to write not a subset? A is not subset of B and B is not a subset of A. Now, I'll explain to you what's the meaning of singleton set. Singleton set, single मतलब element one only. If a set has only one element called singleton set, you can see example here. A is equal to only element 5. Example what I have taken. Consider the set 5. 5 means empty set. A is having 1 3, B is having 1 5 9 and C is having 1 3 5 7 9. Then we have to insert the symbol whether it is a subset or not a subset. You can see here what we can write here. Empty set is a subset of every set. That's why what we have to put? We have to put subset. A is a subset of B. No, it is not a subset because A के सारे एलिमेंट्स B में नहीं हैं. A is a subset of B or not. A के एलिमेंट्स C में हैं. That's why A is a subset of C. B is a subset of C or not. B के एलिमेंट्स हैं 1 5 9 और 1 5 9 C में हैं. That's why B is a subset of C. So we have to put symbol accordingly. Subset, not a subset. Now, in the next example, what I have written, set A has 5 elements A, E, I, O, U. We have to find out whether it is true or false. A does not belong to A. क्या A का एलिमेंट नहीं है? ये तो गलत हो गया है, तो फॉल्स हो गया क्योंकि A एलिमेंट तो है यहाँ पर. A E I curly bracket means this is set. A is also a set. A, E, I, all elements are in A. That's why it is a subset of A. And it is subset. Similarly, we continue.